Welcome to Q&A Wire.
In this question, we have given an aluminum calorimeter and it contains water, and we have told that both are in thermal equilibrium. Now we put two metallic blocks in this calorimeter, and we have given the data for one metallic block, but we have the unknown data for the other metallic block, and we have told that the entire system stabilizes at a final temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. So first of all, we have to find the specific heat of the unknown sample. So I'm going to write the given data for this question. So we have given that mass of the mass of aluminium calorimeter Ma is given to us, that is 100 gram, or I can say 0.1 kilograms. We have given the mass of water, that is Mw, is 250 grams, or I can say 0.25 kilograms, and we have given the mass of the copper block, that is Mc, is given to us, that is 0.05 kilograms, and we have given the mass of the unknown block, that is 0.07 kilograms. Now we have given the value of initial temperature, that is 10 degrees Celsius, and this is for calorimeter, and we have given the initial temperature of the copper block, that is, I write it as Cu. Copper block, it is given to us, that is 80 degrees Celsius, and final temperature is given to us, that is 20 degrees Celsius. We have given that initial temperature of the unknown block, that is 100 degrees Celsius, and we have given the value of, now these are the given data. Now I can say that from the energy balance it can be written as energy lost, that is minus of Q lost, will be equals to energy gain, that is Q gain. This is not minus here, this is energy loss. So energy loss is written as, that is, this energy is given by the, that is mass of copper block into C of copper block, and this is initial temperature minus final temperature for copper block, plus this is mass of unknown block into specific heat of unknown block, and this is T initial minus T final for the unknown block, and the energy gain is by the, one is water and one is the aluminum calorimeter. So this is mass of the water into specific heat of water, and final temperature minus initial temperature of the water, plus mass of the aluminium into specific heat of aluminium into T final minus T initial. Now put all the data in this equation. So this is 0.05 into, this is 387 into, this is 80 minus 20, plus this is 0.07 into, this we have to find. So this is specific heat of unknown into, this is 100 minus 20, and for water we have given the mass, and this is 0.25 into, this is 4186, and the temperature difference is, that is 20 minus 10, plus for aluminium I can say this is 0.1 into 900, and this is also 20 minus 10. Now after solving this we get the value of C unknown, and this will comes out to be 1.82 into 10 to the power 3 joule per kg degree Celsius. So this is the specific heat of the unknown block, and this is our answer for first part of the problem. Now in the second part we have to tell that what is the identification of the unknown material. So from this data we can say that it might be a beryllium. So this is the answer of our second part of the problem. From this data we can tell that it might be beryllium. Now in the third part of the problem we have to find that tell that can we identify the possible material. So we can say that it might be unknown alloy or not listed in table. So these are the answer of our given question. Thank you.